Our new shop build here needs a little work. We got a few modifications. Actually, it's got a bottle opener there, custom license plate, along with a few upgraded stickers. We got to do a little body work on it, and we're going to put some wheels on it too. So don't worry about that either. We'll fix that, all that. We're going to put a new grill on it as well. Has a little paint damage on the front, but other than that, I think we can work with it. So, updated inspection. It's actually still glass in the seat from when Kyle punched his window out because it was raining one day, but we'll get that fixed too. We actually know a good glass guy, so don't worry about that. I think he's been driving it like that for months actually. So, also, instead of throwing his cigarette butts out on the ground, he puts them here in his mirror. So that I kind of respect that as well. Instead of throwing them out on the ground. So. This is our new machine. It's a full 5-axis machine with a pallet table on it. This will allow us to run all through the night. So this machine will run 24/7. So it's actually making its own parts right now. So it's making, this is the first operation to this part here. So technically this machine is machining itself. So its own parts for it. So this machine has just been running. This is the first week. This is the first week we have it up and running. So it's doing a pallet change right now. Film all those vices loaded up. That shit's sick. Now it's gonna load the part back in. So this is a whole new part that's gonna start machining now. So this system allows this machine to run non-stop. So one of the parts we'll be running is up to 28 hours of runtime on the machine without somebody having to basically come and swap it. So close the window there, and it'll start machining this part. So the probe comes out to make sure the part's in the right spot. That's pretty sweet. That's awesome. Literally, this is all in-process probing. So the probe basically tells the machine where the piece of aluminum is to start making the part. So basically, it knows the orientation, knows exactly where everything is, and make sure it also confirms that it's in the right spot. The machine will actually error out if it realizes the material's not in the right spot. This is one of the big cutters that removes a lot of material here. So can't see much because we're running through spindle coolant. So basically, there's spindle running through the end of the tool, spinning at 12,000 RPM. But that's removing a lot of material really fast, so. As you can see.
Good job.
Yeah. So yeah, that did what a normal tool would take twice the amount of time. That's doing a finishing pass. So you notice it's running a lot slower. It's just doing a nice finish pass. So that tool is actually a different tool than what was running before. And it just puts a smoother finish. So you technically want to rough the material out, and then you want to do what's called a finishing pass and do a cleanup pass with a different tool after. So that's what gives it the nice shiny finish on the edges. If I had my mic on, I could tell you what's going on right now.
You could still tell.
So right now we're setting up basically an automated program that checks the ring groove depth. So each time it cuts the ring groove, it pulls out the probe and checks that it's at the right tolerance, and then goes back to cutting the next hole, or it goes back and cuts it deeper. So here's pulling out the probe. We're gonna recheck the ring groove. That's the probe. You can see with this window a little clearer. That one isn't 30. But yeah. It's rechecking the groove. Now it's confirmed that it's okay. Gonna go back to machining it. Now we know each groove is at the perfect depth before it moves on to the next one. Big programmer guy. Solving more problems.
Comes every time. Yeah, let me get down.
Yeah, it does.
I'm 100% clip on this. Yeah. Yeah.
I was gonna do behind the back and I realized I would face plant. Okay, do I look roided up?
Yeah. Oh, you look great.
This thing looks like a boat anchor.
Living life, you know, that's all I got.
This thing finally connected to boot mod like within 45 minutes. It's the slowest BMW SUV on the planet. Stop, I ain't telling you to stop filming, bro. This car should make over 16. We're gonna try to make like 1650 with it. So we'll see. Car already made 1500. So, or what do you call this? Truck? What do they call it? SUV?
An SUV?
This SUV made 1500 already. We're gonna try to make a little more.
I'll make 18.
And flex fuel's not picked up. We just loaded and cleaned the injectors in this car because we came from another shop and had set a little while, so we went through them and cleaned them, make sure they're all flowing properly. On an engine arrived.
But that's not right.
TJ, I think we got an engine.
Yeah, that's Gus. It should be.
Running a probing cycle on the block, so we know how flat the deck surface is as soon as we load up a block. So it'll be built into the program. We'll go and cut off on the block in multiple spots to check the surface. Pretty simple. What's the process we do? Do the deck first?
Yeah, so it's gonna deck first and then run its full first.
So he can film that. And we built basically built a fixture over here to hold our tool because it's too big, the tool chain. So the tool chain up there holds 30 tools. But we built this holder here for the big tool for the machine program. Come over, pick the tool up, and the machine will put the tool back down in its place. Pretty cool process. Yeah, it wasn't too bad to program. I did all the work, so it's pretty good.
So, these are your deck points.
We got both machines running on blocks right now. Just finished. Those powders and we'll put a serial number on every block. Gets its own serial number. This machine is set up to auto calculate and basically go to the next number automatically each time. So every block we puts a new number on every new build. Yeah, we'll pull one of our engines apart. You'll see our serial number on the bottom of the block. We're about to have an engine picked up that's going out right now. We got 4 engines ready to go out today. But they're not all going to go out today, but they're basically ready to go now. Yeah, so this engine is getting picked up, going out right now. That's about it. This one's looks like getting looks like 2 of them are getting turbo kits also. So we do a lot of combos, a lot of engine and turbo kit combos as well. So now we also adding transmissions. So we don't have one set out right now, but a lot of people are also pairing their transmissions because we build the transmissions in the house also.
I kept laughing, so I had to do something.
Yeah. You have to hit a quick pump before anytime you're filming.
Let me see something. Let me see some.
Can you do push-ups or? I mean, don't blow a shoulder or elbow out, but how many think you do? Like 20? You can do 20.
You want to do a
He's
push up?
taking
You
it.
want to do a push up ball?
Push up for 15 years. Pretty sure I can do 5.
15. I don't know. You probably only do like 10 max.
You might hit that 10 and just.
Something might lock up at like number 8. Chill. Well, workman's comp. The way my workman comp's set up, we are not responsible for getting a lift in at the job.
Yeah. I'm gonna do some pull-ups from that. We'll see what happens.
Cane or throat.
I can touch that.
Could do a pull-up challenge on that.
You don't think I can touch that? Bro, you're bugging.
He can jump and run fast.
Just leave it. Work it down then.
Then Dyno. Yeah. They'll chatter if you leave it all the way.
Who touched it? I can't jump that high. I'm more meant for like ground activities, you know.
You didn't see.
I do off 1 foot.
Oh, I can do that.
Can you dunk?
I can't.
Can you do that?
Let's see it. You just said.
Oh, dude, clock out first, Doug. He gonna pull a hip, bro. Throw a hip right out.
Oh.
You seen the new videos they're making? Have you seen the new videos they're making where like dude jumps out the back of the truck and it's like it turns into his ghost walking off?
Oh, yeah.
And it's like reality. He's laying on the ground. Like when you forget you're over 30. Yeah, that's how it be for real. This pulls up the Z surface on the block and shows us how level it is and how much it's off. So you can see the Z axis here, and that this block is pretty level.
Yeah, down here. Let's these up here.
Yep, 4/10 of variance on the block surface, so it's pretty flat deck surface already. Pretty solid. All right, next is gonna do the
Yeah, next is the
tool pickup. Sweet. There you go. Get that as that. We're putting our probe away. You don't have this probe to 12,000, or you don't have to set up to 12,000 RPM, do you?
Max 800.
Really? Auto program built. Pick that up. Yeah, that's pretty solid. Yeah. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, with our head gaskets that we use a composite gasket on this block. So you actually really don't want a super smooth RA finish. So it's a little bit rougher, helps bite into the gasket a little more. So when you're using like an MLS style gasket, you really want like a really smooth RA finish on the deck surface and the head surface. So a little bit different than the gaskets we use. In my car, we run a little bit extra oil than normal, so calls for like 7 point something. We run 8 quarts of oil in it. That helps with like on the car 60 foot, you see like a little different oil pressure. So we run a little extra oil, and that helps with that dip in oil pressure on the launch significantly because the car pulls a light wheelie as well. So eventually we're going to design a whole new oil pan to kind of help with baffling for these cars as we get faster. So we're using some pin grade. We like pin grade or driven oil. The driven 1540 has been backordered for a little bit, so we normally keep the driven stuff in stock. But we really like pin grade also. We run 1540 in this engine, synthetic blend. We have somebody renting the dyno. It's a local tuner. His name's Matt Shue. He's renting the dyno tonight. What was it a Fox body with LS? So he wants to break my dyno record. So currently my car is the highest horsepower dyno because we mainly use it for development. So we let our friends rent it. But it I guess the highest is 1650 something right now. So I think his car should make probably 1700 or so. So I said none of us can ball here. I promise. No shot.
I'll bring the hoop tomorrow, bro. We'll try it out.
Nah. Bro, I can look at you, tell you ain't balling.
I'm built like
You look like this dude could play. You look like he built for basketball.
Yeah. Strong.
You look like a softball coach, bro. You look like a woman's softball coach.
He probably didn't care.
It worked.
Yeah, he's like, this is my work truck.
Yeah, Honda Elements have
I wanted
dumb
one.
space
I
on them.
wanted one after I saw that thing.
Worst riding car ever.
Dude, they'll last forever. One of our tattoo artists, he had his eaten by a bear, and he drove it home. He left a hand pie in
The
seat.
car, or he was eaten by the bear?
The car. That shit got torn up. He wanted that hand pie in that car, dog. And he was stuck in Colorado.
JoJo hit a fish with his truck.
How the fuck you get a fish?
No, he did.
Fish.
He sent me a picture. He sent me a picture, and there's a fish in the front of his truck, like smashed through the grill. And I'm like, bro, you hit a fish on the road?
Going to Maryland for an event. And I'm coming like up 301 right before the bridge or whatever. And this hawk, there's a little creek right there. Hawk swoops down, grabs a catfish. And the catfish was so big that it couldn't climb. And I'm taped up and I just smashed the hawk. Hawk goes over my windshield. I didn't see the catfish at all. The guy pulls up beside me, says, "Hey, you have a catfish in your grill." I said, okay.
I heard this game before,
Yeah.
buddy. Calm it down.
So I go over the bridge or whatever, turn, like we're going to the track. I pull over off to the side. Sure as crap, get out. Dead center, like, just like this. Dead center of the grill, catfish.
Like a big one, too, right?
It's probably like this.
Call your insurance company. They're just like, sir. Sir.
No way.
I hit a damn fish on the road. They goes, what you, in a pineapple under the sea driving down the road or something?
Yeah, we're still on Main. Yeah. Before we try to cheat.
You're saying you have something in here?
Yeah, this is for them.
Yeah, it's just up here.
Yeah, I mean, order.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We just got there. Yeah, we kind of end up selling an engine through the deal, too, so.
Yeah, my dad's actually gonna
Bomb this place.
No, he's gonna cut the cameras. Cut the cameras.
No, I actually filmed this. I need proof. Your dad's gonna do what?
He's gonna mess up his other nut.
You're late.
That's why he's pissed.
Dude, I was sitting back there waiting on Noel for this dyno, and I thought he died. You know,
Yeah, it's the same concept.
The whole
as fast
system is
He'll
there.
buy the gas can.
No, we'll give it to him for free.
It doesn't,
You have to
Well,
pay
yeah.
for stuff.
it doesn't fit on stock service.
Catch can.
Yeah, no, you can buy him a kitchen.
It don't fit on stock service though. You have to have
Oh, so you're gonna give him
balls for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just put a turbo
Little
kit.
turbo kit.
Yeah.
For him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, free.
A little word of advice: don't tell us you're gonna basically scam somebody to get the money to pay us, because we don't want to do business with you going forward. But we're not trying to be next. Period. Terrible idea. Don't understand that. But yeah, not interested.